Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of household gadgets. Today, we're diving headfirst into the battle of the mops. On my left, we have the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. And on my right, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. Let's see which one will mop the floor with the competition, and which one will leave you feeling like you just cleaned your house with a wet sock. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell SpinWave is going to set you back about $154, which some reviewers feel is a bit pricey for a mop. In comparison, the Schenley Steam Mop is a steal at just $119. Many customers appreciate the affordability of the Schenley, stating that it allows them to clean their floors like a pro without breaking the bank. So if you're trying to be frugal, Schenley might just win this round. Now let's talk about freedom. The Bissell SpinWave offers cordless freedom with its 18 volts lithium-ion battery, allowing you to clean without being tethered to an outlet. Reviewers love this feature, especially those with mobility challenges. But wait, the Schenley Steam Mop is here to fight back with its chemical-free lifestyle. Just add tap water, and you're ready to go in 15 seconds. Customers rave about the ease of use and safety for families with kids and pets. No chemicals means your family can breathe easy. Next up, let's talk cleaning power. The Bissell boasts powerful spinning mop pads that promise to restore your floor's natural shine. Reviewers have found it effective for maintaining clean floors, especially in homes with pets or children. Meanwhile, the Schenley is flexing with its high-pressure steam that can tackle dirt, stains, grease, and even mold. Users are impressed with how quickly and effectively it cleans various surfaces. It's like having a mini volcano on your floor. All right, let's talk runtime. The Bissell SpinWave gives you 20 minutes of cordless runtime, which some users feel is sufficient for everyday cleaning. However, others express disappointment over its short battery life. On the other hand, the Schenley offers continuous steam for 12 to 25 minutes. Reviewers appreciate the flexibility it provides, although some have noted that the short cord length can be a drawback. In the battle of the runtimes, it's neck and neck. Finally, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with a couple of mop pads and some trial-size cleaning solutions, which is nice. Reviewers enjoy the extra accessories, but some wish for more versatility. Meanwhile, the Schenley Steam Mop brings the heat with 7-in-1 attachments. Users love its versatility, allowing them to clean everything from floors to windows. It's practically a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness in maintaining clean floors, particularly in pet-friendly homes. However, its battery life has been a common concern. The Schenley Steam Mop is celebrated for its powerful steam cleaning and versatility with multiple attachments, though some users have reported issues with stability and steam output. So after all that, who wins the mop-off? If you're looking for cordless freedom and a mop that spins like a disco ball, the Bissell SpinWave is your go-to. But if you want powerful steam cleaning without the chemicals, the Schenley Steam Mop takes the cake. Either way, whichever one you choose, your floors will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.